Hi everyone, this is Run Around Suzy G, and I just wanted to give you a really quickly overview of oh geez, sorry, I'm stumbling my words today. I was over in Las Vegas yesterday, and obviously way too late.
Run free, watching the fountains dance at the Bellagio tonight. Vegas comes alive in a million colors bright. I'm walking slow, then I cut through the crowd. Watching the street performers do what they were born to do. Zip liners glide over the canopy glow, and I look at your face like I already know. Oh, the night keeps calling, pulling me in deeper. Every step feels electric, every breath gets sweeter. Run free tonight, run free tonight. I'm gone, run free tonight, run free tonight, run free tonight. Hold me up, then let me go. Take my hand through the shimmer and the heat. No map, no plan, just the rhythm of the street. One more spin under all that shining rain. We can disappear and still feel the same. Run free tonight, run free tonight. In Las Vegas, cruising the strip, watching the fountain. Street performers singing, people passing by. Neon reflections as the evening flies.
From my sunburn back over in Parker, Arizona. So excuse the dry skin look, but anyways, this is Lake Mead. I wanted to go through Lake Mead, but I didn't realize that they had some of these really cool national parks. Well, I didn't really look for it, so it's kind of a bummer, but I found it anyways by accident. And it's $25 to get into the park, and it's more for boating and kayaking. But they have picnic areas, which you see there's 3 of them up here. They're partly in the shade. They have grills, and $25 is a little steep for that. But if you have the pass, America the Beautiful, you actually get in without paying that $25. Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you I am in White Sands National Park. And I have to tell you, this is so beautiful. You can't even imagine. Let me see here. This is the road that we came in on. And it is just white sand packed down. It starts out with a 2-lane road with, just a normal highway road. And then it goes to this complete packed down sand. And just look, everywhere is white sand. Even vegetation is growing in it. Of course, I'm here during the winter months. For me, this is like fall or like a spring day, but here everything is dormant because it is January. Back in Michigan, we've got negative temperatures, and last time I heard we were supposed to get about 8 to 10 more inches. Whiteout conditions. I guess you could say I'm in white stuff. Definitely warmer. And I had to take my shoes off and walk on the sand. Because in Michigan, we walk on the sand on the beaches all the time. Never this white of sand, though.
In Las Vegas, cruising the strip, watching the fountains, watching the lights, enjoying the stages filled with music. Oh, what a night!
Carlsbad Caverns. And now today. So with that totaling, it is, you pay $80 for the pass, and I've already spent that in my travels. I think Carlsbad was either $35 or $45, and then White Sands is $25, and then this is $25, and it's beautiful. And I actually stopped here today because I wanted to cook me something to eat. And I just thought I'd check out Lake Mead a little bit more. And if you look at this, it's gorgeous. There are camping, but it is $30 on top of that. $25, or if you have the pass, it's free to get in, but $30 a night. A little steep for my budget for sleeping in my car. Excuse me. So I cooked me my lunch and watched a bunch of kayakers. And just enjoying the beautiful view. So again, if you have that pass, you can get into them without paying an extra $25. And if you have that pass, I suggest you stop and check it out. It is well worth it. And if you have a kayak or a boat, even more worth it. the drive-in was really pretty. So I just got done making my lunch. I've done 8, and it's just beautiful scenery. It's better than being in the city for me. Yes, this is a voiceover, so you will not see my lips move. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video down the road.